Hey guys, my name is Ethan, this is Carberra, and welcome to the 2021 Q3 update video. I decided I'm going to do this in quarters now, so every 3 months. It just gives me enough time for things to actually change, and it also provides a consistent timetable to post updates, and I just kind of think it makes sense. I suppose we'll see how that goes, but if you like it, let me know. In this video, we're going to be talking about quite a lot, but first, before I say any of that, I want to thank each and every one of you for helping the channel to reach 2,500 subscribers. That is a huge amount. That is actually the next milestone I had planned after 1,000, because I'm going on Social Blade milestones. And to celebrate that achievement, I'm going to be doing a community Among Us stream / play along thing. I don't know really what to call it, but essentially it's going to be a stream on Twitch on the tutorials channel where people can come into the Discord voice chat and we can have a talk. We can have a play of Among Us, and it's just going to be a really fun thing to do, because ultimately this 2,500 milestone is because of you, and those 2,500 people are you watching this video right now. So I thought, why not kind of meet some more people, hang out with people in the Discord server already and just have a bit of fun, This stream will be happening on Saturday the 26th of June at 4 PM BST or 3 PM UTC. I know that's not ideal for everyone, but no time is going to be ideal for everyone, and this sort of time has worked well in the streams in the past, so I thought I might use it. It's a Saturday, so people don't have school, because I know a lot of my audience are younger. So I've tried to include as many people as possible, but if you're not going to be able to make that time, then I am sorry. There's not a huge amount I can do, but the stream VOD will be there if you want to watch it, and we can celebrate 2,500 some other way. Just join the Discord server, say hi, and maybe we can have some fun there. I do plan to do kind of more off the cuff streams just in the Discords where I play stuff. That way I don't really have to worry about copyright or really have to worry much about swearing or whatever, because it's not going to be recorded. It's just going to be a loss of time. So we can do something like that. I don't know. I do have a really cool idea for my 2-year anniversary. Last year I did an update video, but I'm doing that now, so I don't need to do that again. But I do have a cool idea for that. I'm not going to share what it is, but I do have a cool idea. So on the 14th of July, you'll see what I mean. Yeah, heading back to today, there are a few other things. So the first of which is a social media reform, is what I'm calling it. And basically, I am scrapping the Facebook page because no one really uses it. I don't really like Facebook. I think the interface is clunky, and honestly, Facebook is just bad in general. But I am getting a new Instagram page. I know it's owned by Facebook, but whatever. A lot of people have requested I make an Instagram. I've never really known what to put on it or what I would put on it, but I think I'm going to do some behind the scenes stuff on it. So it'll be little short videos, maybe talking about videos coming up, or maybe showing off something that I've got in my real life. I don't really know. Well, I guess we'll have to see. And I'm also going to be using Twitter for that sort of thing as well, but it's probably going to be more text updates and stuff. So you follow the Instagram for like images and videos, Twitter for text. I'll have to think about what I'll put up there, but I do want to increase my social media presence a bit more, because right now it is just the YouTube, the Twitch, and the Discords, and nothing really else. And a lot of people, use other things, and it's always good to have some sort of presence around the place. So I'm thinking that should be good. So that. Yeah. In terms of actual videos and streams, there are a few other things to cover. So Discord.py music requests are imminent. I'm going to be recording them hopefully tomorrow, if not over the next few days. And they should be going up, all of them, before the start of July. It might, I don't know, I might have miscalculated that a bit, but it's not going to be that far into July for the last video to come up. Because Lava Link is working again now. Hooray. So yeah, those should be coming along pretty soon. So the people who have been waiting for those, you're not going to have to wait much longer. While we're talking about different series and stuff, I do kind of have the next 3 locked in. When I say locked in, I have the next 3 kind of planned, and I'm pretty sure these are the 3 that are coming next. I do actually have provisional dates for these. So the game development series that people have been waiting for a long time will hopefully start in July. I imagine it will start in July. I can't really see much of a reason why it wouldn't. So at the very least, the first few episodes should be in July, worst case scenario. And then you've got the web development with Django series. A lot of people have been wanting web development stuff for ages, specifically with the idea of a Discord bot dashboard in mind. This series isn't going to be covering that, but there is going to be another series where I do cover that. But I feel like I need the Django one first, to kind of, you know, how to make a website and all that. So that'll be starting hopefully around October. I've been starting to do streams on that because I'm not too knowledgeable in the area at the moment, but I do know a lot of people that do know quite a bit about web dev, so I should be able to get some help from them. And you know, the streams as well, to be a lot of backseaters, which I always do appreciate, because you know, that's the whole reason I do the streams. Oh, I knocked the camera. But yeah, that's the whole reason I do the streams, and having the people you know, come along and help and actually be part of the content that goes out on Carberra in a way is always really cool, so I do appreciate that. The next one after that will be the one that most people are probably waiting for, which is the new Discord bot series. I'm going to be making another one. This is the final one I'm going to do. The only reason I'm making one is because the code in my current updated one isn't the best. You know, I've developed a lot since that series came out, because you know, that series brought a lot of people in, and I've had a lot of different insights through there. And you know, it's not just you that's been learning from this stuff. Like I've learned so much from the people in the community, and I do really appreciate people sharing knowledge around in all different directions. It's really cool to see. But yeah, that series will take into account all that I've learned, and you know, all people have told me and everything. But it will specifically be done in Hikari, not Discord.py. And there are reasons for that, and I will make a video at some point comparing the two. I'm not going to go over it all now. But if you're specifically looking for an updated Discord.py series, what I will say is, you know, give Hikari a chance. I'm doing streams on it, kind of just intermittently around the place. So feel free to drop into one of those, because I do genuinely believe that Hikari is better. And the series will be developer backed as well. You know, we have the developer of Hikari in the server helping us with that. That is really damn cool, because you really can't get better than that. So yeah, but there'll be more information of that as stuff becomes known, because that's probably not going to happen until either very late 21 or very early 22. But we'll see. Yeah, there's a few extra changes with some premium stuff, so the people, you know, on the Patreon, Twitch subscriptions, donators, and server boosters, that sort of thing as well. So the first change affects all patrons, because currently the names of patrons are listed in the description. Well, this is going to change, and they will instead be listed at the end of the video. I haven't decided whether that they're going to be part of the end slate or before. We'll have to see the next video I do, kind of where I want to put that into play. Essentially, having them out of the description, I think, is just going to make the whole process a lot easier to work with. Plus, you know, most YouTubers do put the names at the end of the video anyway. I think it would be just kind of a cool thing for people to see their names in the video, to be honest. Another change is that anyone that donates money through Streamlabs from now, so long as they donate at least £1, which is the same as the Patreon Tier 1, will also appear at the end of the video. I don't know for how long that will be a thing. Maybe the video after they donate, or maybe like a month after. I haven't really properly worked that out. But yeah, Streamlabs donators will appear at the end as well. I think PayPal donators probably will too, because I know some people do donate directly through PayPal. But that much is yet to be seen, because not many people do that, and I'll just kind of let that as I go, but probably will be the case. The next point isn't anything new. This has been a thing for a little while. I've told patrons about it. I haven't told people on YouTube properly about it in a video. But Patreon Early Access, so Tier 4 and above, you will now get videos 72 hours early in YouTube. Or you have been for about a month. But for people that don't know, the early access has been upgraded from 24 hours earlier to 72 hours earlier. So if that extra time is, you know, beneficial to you, then I don't know, maybe consider checking it out. But I just thought I'd put it in a video just to say, you know. And also, Twitch subscription tiers are being aligned to specific Patreon tiers. So Tier 1 Twitch subscription is the same as Tier 3 Patreon, at least in terms of Discord benefits and some other things. The names won't be put in the descriptions of stuff because it's not video related, it's more the actual streams. But on top of that, the Tier 2 Twitch, I think, have been aligned to Tier 4 Patreon, and Tier 5 to Tier 3. Tier 3 to Tier 5 Twitch to Patreon. So I just wanted to clarify that, because there had been a bit of confusion about kind of what Twitch subs were kind of supposed to gain in benefits. But in terms of all those things, you gain benefits if you are a server booster or a Twitch subscriber, or a patron. Streamlabs donations don't currently have anything outside the description thing. I hope to introduce something like that in the Discord at some point. It kind of just depends if we can get something working with the API really. So while we're on the topic of streams or whatever with the subs and donators, etc., there is actually a new stream timetable. It's slightly adjusted and it's also experimental. So this may not hold fully, so I will keep you updated about that. I was supposed to have experimented with it by now, but uni and personal circumstances have kind of got in the way of streaming, so I haven't been able to do so. But essentially the new schedule is that I stream on Tuesdays from 7 through 10 p.m. BST, or maybe 6 through 9 UTC, and on Saturdays 3 through 6 BST, or 2 through 5 UTC. And the reason is I did a poll in a Discord server asking people if they wanted me to shift the stream an hour earlier. So I kind of noticed there was quite a lot of drop off near the end at a specific time. I thought, well, if people are kind of struggling with that time, then maybe I should just shift it an hour earlier. And people were on board with that, so I'm going to do that. But it's also every now and then it's kind of this dip and it shoots back up near the end. I'm thinking, well, I've been told by a lot of people that they can't make the time, but they could make it if it was a little later. So I'm going to experiment on Tuesdays with later streams and see how that goes. We may scrap that one, but the 3 through 6 will hold. And if the 7 through 10 doesn't turn out to be very popular, we will go back to 3 through 6 on Tuesdays. So I will keep you updated about that in the YouTube community tab and the Discord server. So feel free to have a look at any of those. If you wanna know. That's pretty much all I wanted to talk about with this. The next update video will be in October. I don't actually know how much there will be to say. I suppose we'll see. But I just wanted to really finish how I started in saying thank you to everyone who's been part of this community, because over the last, especially the last year, it's grown massively, and with the 2,500 milestone hits, it seems like the perfect opportunity to just thank every single one of you for being here, and for being as amazing as you are, because it might not be the biggest community in the world, but it's a really damn good one to be a part of, and I don't really think I tell you that enough. So I just want to thank you all, whether you subscribe to the channel, whether you just pop in the streams, whether you're just in the Discords, whatever, just whatever avenue you're active in the community. I just want to thank you for being part of it, because it's really cool of you to do. But yeah, with that, I'm going to end the video here. The next one will be Discord.py music, more than likely. So I will see you for that. Bye!